We want to solve this word problem by using factorization method. Let one of the number be x, then the other number is 29 minus x. Since their sum is 29, their product is 180, so x bracket 29 minus x equal to 180. Expand the bracket. X multiplied by 29, we have 29x. X multiplied by minus x, we have minus x squared equal to 180. Let us rearrange the equation. Minus x squared plus 29x, and let us bring 180 to the right hand side, and the positive sign will change to negative. So minus 180 equal to 0. Multiply through by minus 1. We are going to have x squared minus 29x plus 180 equal to 0. This equation can be written as x squared plus bracket minus 29x plus 180 equal to 0. The standard form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. If we compare these two equations, our a is 1, our b is minus 29, our c is 180. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 29, and c equal to 180. Multiply a and c together. AC equal to 1 multiplied by 180, which equal to 180. Find two numbers whose product is 180. Product equal to 180, and sum is minus 29. Sum b equal to minus 29. I want you to note that minus 9 and minus 20, the product will give us 180, and the sum will give us minus 29. So the correct pair is minus 9 and minus 20. Split the middle term using these two numbers, and our middle term is minus 29x. So we are going to have x squared minus 9x minus 20x plus 180 equal to 0. Group the terms in pairs. X squared minus 9x plus bracket minus 20x plus 180 equal to 0. Factor out the common factor from each group. The common factor here is x. X bracket x minus 9 plus the common factor here also is minus 20. Minus 20 bracket x minus 9 equal to 0. And this expression can be written as x bracket x minus 9 minus, because positive multiplied by negative, we have negative, minus 20 bracket x minus 9 equal to 0. Let us factor out the binomial, and our binomial here is x minus 9, x minus 9, x minus 9 bracket will now remain x and minus 20 bracket x minus 20 equal to 0. Solve each factor by setting each factor to 0 and solve for x. X minus 9 equal to 0. Add 9 to both sides. X minus 9 plus 9 equal to 9. Minus 9 plus 9 is 0. X equal to 9. X minus 20 equal to 0. Add 20 to both sides. X minus 20 plus 20 equal to 20. Minus 20 plus 20 is 0. X equal to 20. The two numbers are 9 and 20.